Welcome to Superman Customs.
How's it, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be servicing a Mark 1 City Golf mk1 fuel injected, and our service kit that we'll be using today is Shell Helix oil, the water coolant, we got our air filter, fuel filter, oil filter, a radiator flush, and last but not least our NGK spark plugs. So let me get you guys in a quick time lapse while I do the radiator flush, and I'll see you guys in a bit. The radiator flush, how does it work? I'll let you guys know now. So you gotta shake it, and then you put it into your water bottle. Fill it in your water bottle, close it up, let the car idle for 10 minutes, or you can take it for a drive 20 k's, and once that's done, all you gotta do is open a drain pipe at the bottom and drain out the water and fill it with your antifreeze. Okay guys, so the next thing we're gonna do is remove our air box so we can get to our fuel filter here. And yeah, let me put you guys in a quick time lapse and we get to it. So guys, we're going to be changing the fuel filter, and for this all you're going to do is remove the two clamps, top and bottom, and you're going to remove this main clamp that is holding the fuel filter down. And once you do that, it's a simple procedure of just swapping the lines, and yeah, once you get that done, on to the next. Now guys, to change your air filter, it's simple. You just open the clips on your air box. You'll find 4 clips. Once it's open, you will change your air filter. This is the old one, and right here we have our new filter. That's the difference.
Oh my god! Wow!
New filter in, face down. Be right now. To the clamp position, which is there, and that should be it, guys. So guys, the next thing we're going to be doing is draining out the old oil and throwing in new oil and oil filter. So for that, we're gonna have to go underneath. It's a size 19mm spanner, and all you got to do there is loosen it, catch the old oil, and once you're done with that, come on the top, change your oil filter, and yeah, let's get to it. It's gonna be a good one. Right guys, so the next part is oil filter. So while our oil is draining out at the bottom, we should be able to just turn off our oil filter, because normally it's supposed to be hand tightened, but if worst case scenario, you gotta use a screwdriver trick. So let's get to it.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
So guys, for oil filter, always remember to always put a seal of oil around it before installing it. So yeah, let's get to installing it. So far we've changed our air filter, fuel filter, oil filter. Now some plug goes back on, throw in some oil, and after that spark plugs, and we should be done. Antifreeze, perfect. So guys, now we just filling up the oil. I found the best method here, if you don't know how much oil your car takes, is just for you to, trial and error. So just fill in like 3.5 liters, check your dipstick, and then if it's still short, put in a bit more, check your dipstick until your dipstick is max. So let's carry on. Just let it sit and shake it up now. Just keep on shaking it up until it's full. So let's just let it settle, and time to change spark plugs, and I'll get back to you guys. So guys, for spark plugs, it's just simple. Remember, don't mix up your plug leads, which are these things right here. So if you take out the first one, it's best to remove the first plug, replace it, and then put your lead back on, and then you move on to the next one. And that's the best way to do it. Then you guys don't mix up any plug leads and your car don't misfire or anything. So quick time lapse, and I get back to you guys. So guys, everything on top is completed. What you're going to be doing now is on the water pump itself. You'll just remove the clamp, take out that pipe, let all the water from the system drain out, and once you're done with that, clamp up everything, take out antifreeze, fill it in, top it up with water, and that should be it. So we should be done. So let me get it done. I'll show you guys the bit. So guys, now we'll throw in some antifreeze and top it up with water. Bleed the system, idle the car, put the heater on, leave the cap open until all the bubbles are out of the system, and once that's done, close the cap and be done with the service for today.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and tap the bell icon to turn on notifications.